experiment is to, and we're going to go down the line, and there's no humiliation here. Say your dog's name.
Bentley.
Good, Bentley. Give Bentley a treat. So, Bentley, turn. Your turn. Oh.
Yeah.
What's name?
Hurley. Hurley.
Okay. Okay. Madison. Think about whatever problem you have. Does your dog even know that command? So, you lost your daughter?
She's in the car.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I was going to use her. Wama! 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 We do that to our dogs all the time. You don't know how to wama? Oh, you want me to tell you what to do first? Wama? Wama. See how simple? So as soon as your dog starts messing up, step back and go, did I teach this dog that command yet? Does that dog understand it? Does it understand that when I said sit, I meant sit for 5 seconds, not sit, pick your butt back up?